Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to sort your contacts in our phone book in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to sort our contacts? Let's see. We need to go to our contacts application, of course. We have a few contacts here, and we have a menu hidden under these three lines. For example, we now have 9 contacts, and when we tap this cog here, we can change the way our contacts are sorted. By default, they are sorted by first name. We can change it, and now it will be sorted by by the last name of our contacts, as you can see if we had more surnames. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.